Here is my double gatefold. You could call it a diagonal double gatefold Beary Cute Christmas card. This is a super fun card to make with the Designer Series paper. I used the A Walk in the Forest Designer Series paper that's found in the beginning of the catalog. It's kind of hidden, so you have to look for it, but it coordinates with the Beary Cute punch and the Merriest Trees dies that you can use to cut and punch out the trees and the bears. But there's also other great designs. These I think would coordinate very nicely with the Joy of Noel suite. And then you've got the bears. And there's the trees. So I started this card with a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of Pretty Peacock. And then I have a 12 by 5 1/4 piece of the A Walk in the Forest Designer Series paper. And this is fun because we're going to be able to see both sides. I've scored it at 2, 4, 8, and 10. Very easy measurements. And so now I'm just going to score on all of these fold lines, first folding in and then folding out. Now I'm going to use my ruler to measure 2 inches from each side. So I'll just move this to the 5 inch and then I can mark it at 3. And I'm going to be cutting from this corner right here to that mark. So about like that. You're going to do that to both sides. All right, so now I see that mark and I see this mark. And so I can cut that corner off, and now I'm going to cut the rest of the corners off. So I'm just going to erase all of these marks, and then I can adhere this to the card base. So the card is going to fold in this way. All right, now that we have that attached to the card base, I have a 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 piece of basic white. And I'm going to stamp Merry Christmas in Pool Party. And now I'm going to stamp some of these snowflakes around the inside here. And I'm just going to place this inside the card. Now for the front, I have the second largest square from the Stylish Shapes dies, and I'm also going to stamp the snowflakes on this piece with Pretty Peacock. And now I'm gonna stamp our bear in Pretty Peacock. And I'm going to use the bear punch to punch him out. So I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the bear and then on our square here that I'm going to turn diagonal. And then I'm only going to put dimensionals on the left side of the square so I don't accidentally seal the card closed. The last step is just adding a scarf or hat to the bear. And for the previous card, I did a Pretty Peacock, but I think on this one, I might do Pool Party and then maybe a hat. No, I'm still not liking the hat. We're just gonna do the scarf. And there is my diagonal double gatefold Beary Cute Christmas card. I hope you like it. All right, as always, I have a class. So you can make these 6 cards. If you want this class, you can purchase it for $30 plus $5 shipping, or you can place a $50 order using my current host code, and I will send it to you for just $5 shipping. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Beary Christmas card class.